Hello, bankers. A very good evening to all of you. Welcome back. So, guys, your CAIB 2026 official calendar is live now. So, in this particular session, we will be discussing what should be your strategy along with those particular dates and the important dates and the other part also, right? So, registration and everything you all know, right? तो अब कैसे आगे बढ़ना है, ठीक है? What should be your next step and how you should prepare for this particular examination and the basic requirements or the experiences from past few sessions that we will be discussing in this particular session itself, right? So first of all, when it comes to the exam registration, so your registration will start from 4th of March 2026 itself, right? And it will be last till 24th March आपका, ठीक है, with late fee, and most probably they'll be extending this particular one for 1 week. But as of now, we have this is the final date. ठीक है, तो next month आपका March 26 when your registration will start. Now, another thing is the important thing, which is help you to plan your studies and all. That is something which is very important one. These are your exam date. So when it comes to exam date, so like this is the thing. आपका first examination will be conducted on 31st May, which is your ABM. The another one is आपका 7th June, which is your BFM. Now the challenge is आपका this, ठीक है? Last year also, like every time we generally face challenge with these two subjects where we are going to face आपका back to back two paper, right? So आपका 13th and 14th, your ABFM and BRBL. So now we'll come to the elective subject, but before that, so if you are preparing for CIB examination 26, my personal suggestion is to start with do not involve in all the four subject, ठीक है, because that is not possible. ऐसा नहीं कि like चारों पेपर एक दिन पढ़ेंगे, तो maybe you'll start with that energy, but after some time वो कहीं ना कहीं आपका you'll be start facing some sort of confusion and all. So start with two subject only, and these two subject, as per my suggestion, these are आपका first one is BFM, because it is something which is full of concept. 31 units are there, and all 31 units, they include आपका different areas. This will take your maximum time to prepare for any out of these particular four subject. A first paper, this is आपका suggested. Second one is आपका, that is my suggestion will be BRBL. From last 2 or 3 session, this is something which is one of the easiest one. They have done experiment with all the three subject. Now this is the time कि maybe they come up with आपका BRBL at tougher side. तो कहीं ना कहीं you have to go through the conceptual part, and the challenge with this subject is there are so many sections. There are all the act related to banking and finance in the country, so they have given in this one. So if they want to make this आपका at tougher side, it can be one of the toughest paper out of all the four, and even your elective also. So initially you should start with these two subject first, आपका BFM, and the another one is BRBL, where course content is very आपका vast, right? ये दो चीजें आपके रहेंगे. दूसरा, why I'm suggesting आपका out of these two, आपका BRBL, last time ABFM was also very tougher side, ठीक है, और that was one of the toughest paper of ABFM history. Now see what happened now. If you let's say आपका by the end of March you have done with these two subject, the benefit आपका which you will get, so then you can switch to your ABM, and then आपका you can simultaneously start with आपका ABFM, and you'll get good time to revise आपका ABM, BFM and all these particular subject also. So there is a equal proportion of concept as well as आपका practice, which you will be requiring to pass this particular examination in single attempt, right? And it is possible if you start from today itself, because we do have 4 months in our hand, right? So this is the one. अब देखो यहाँ पे what will happen during the examination week, अगर आप इन दोनों को रखते हैं, if you have done with this thing, आपका अगर आप सेम प्रोसेस को फॉलो करेंगे तो वो चैलेंज आपको यहाँ पे नहीं होगा. अदरवाइज व्हाट यू विल फील कि आफ्टर BFM, because during the BFM examination you will not dare to enter into these two subjects, and this is the first paper. Automatically before 10 days you will be concentrating around this particular one, and then you will get आपका 6 days for BFM. Then next 6 days आपका your focus will be automatically toward the ABFM आपका subject and you will miss it out, right? तो वो ना हो आपके साथ अभी से, while you are planning your studies and others, to just go with this particular flow. Start with your BFM subject, start working around the concept. BFM is all about module A and B. So if you have done with that particular one, 70% preparation is done. C and D में जो भी additional आपका topics are there, you can manage those particular one आपका easily. Then ABM is आपका module A stat. Module B, let's say if you are going with HRM as an elective subject, so you can eliminate module B. Just focus on elective subject. So you have to work on module A, C and D. Still it is manageable because many things are from the GIV curriculum. When it comes to ABFM, so there is something आपका like the modules B and C. That is something from where examiner they can design आपका case studies, but they every time they come up with different set. Like last year, last to last session means June 2025, there was around 40 marks case studies on आपका this, and this year about this, and BFM there was around 20 to 25 marks case studies and numericals. तो they are shuffling things आपका, ठीक है? तो अब यहाँ पे कहीं ना कहीं दिस इज द थिंग आपका जो अभी तक टेस्ट नहीं हुआ है, तो यहाँ पे वो काफी ज्यादा टफर साइड में जा सकते हैं. तो प्लीज प्लान अकॉर्डिंगली. एंड मेरा पर्सनल सजेशन होगा कि चारों सब्जेक्ट को एक साथ ना लेके चलें. फोकस आपका कि लाइक this is my target till this date. I'm going to cover module A or module B of BFM and module आपका D of BRBL, because module D which is having so many आपका terminologies or the different concepts and all, तो वो ठीक है. A B is manageable, C is आपका bit lengthy but understandable, D is something जहाँ पे कंटेंट भी बहुत ज्यादा और टर्मिनोलॉजीज आपका बहुत ज्यादा टफ है, ठीक है. तो दैट इज द फर्स्ट वन. सेकंड वन आपका इलेक्टिव सब्जेक्ट, ठीक है. So when it comes to elective subject, my personal suggestion ki if you are not having any education, any specific background, if you are working with IT, you have done BTech IT, go for IT, ठीक है, without any doubt, ठीक है. If you have done आपका like let's say if you are preparing for RBI grade B examination or if you have prepared in past आपका, go for central banking, right? And HRM, if you are having आपका experiences, like let's say if you are working as a SOHR and others, you can go for this, or rural banking also, right? But now, if you do not have any idea, then just go for HRM without any doubt. And though the paper level was tough in the previous examination, still it is manageable because it will help you in two other subject also. ABM, you'll get some portion aapka. Another one is ABFM, management wala things is also going to help you, because when it comes to theories and others, they are same in everywhere, right? So that is the case. And even you will easily get आपका study material around the human resource आपका HRM subject and all, right? So that is about your आपका, and you will be getting 1 week. That 1 week आपका, that is you will be working around the HRM only. तो or yeah, your dedicated elective subject. थोड़ा personal नहीं होना है कि I have to do certification in risk management. Later on we can do it, right? Yeah, I have to anyhow work on the central banking. थोड़ा सा टाइमिंग का इशू आता है बिकॉज यू आर नॉट हैविंग दैट मच टाइम कि आप 4 hours 5 hours देंगे. नो, पॉसिबल ही नहीं है, ठीक है. थोड़ा सा इनिशियली लगता है कि हम कर लेंगे, बट जो रियलिटी है कि लाइक यू कैन नॉट एक्सपेंड योर सेल्फ आपका बियॉन्ड 2 hours और 3 hours. वो और वीकेंड्स पे आपका आप करेंगे, बट देर आर फैमिली फंक्शन और फैमिली एंड अदर थिंग्स ऑल्सो. सो वो कहीं ना कहीं आपका रह जाता है. तो कहीं ना कहीं वेन एवर यू आर प्लानिंग थिंग्स, प्लीज कंसिडर दीज थिंग्स ऑल्सो एंड प्लान अकॉर्डिंगली, ठीक है. सो वेन इट कम्स टू द स्ट्रेटेजी पोर्शन, हमेशा एक सेम चीज मैं आपको बोलता हूँ. फर्स्ट, you have to work on the concept part. Without concept, CIB journey is kind of impossible now, right? The concepts are very important for this one. The second one is then you can go for unit wise MCQs. Like I'm not suggesting कि आपका all the subject, हाँ, there are few important topics, so you can practice them a lot. या subject like ABM and आपका BRBL, these are the subject जहाँ पे 50-50% you can take, right? So you can आपका with the basic concept you can start practicing those particular, so that will help you. Then module and mock revision आपका, that will help. And the marathon session will be doing during the examination period or before 1 month also, so that will also help you to prepare this. But one thing which you cannot skip at any cost, that is your आपका concept. तो concept अब concept का मतलब ये नहीं कि you have to go through the entire book and all, not required. There are core concept of in every subject, ठीक है. Like when once you'll open the book, let's say if you are studying आपका BFM module B, सो समथिंग आपका जैसे कुछ कुछ पोर्शन आपके जो कॉमन होंगे, या मॉड्यूल सी या डी पढ़ेंगे तो देर आर सम पार्ट आपका विच इज कॉमन विच यू हैव ऑलरेडी रेड with module A and module B. There are few new areas which they have added. You just have to cover those. ठीक है, तो वो conceptual understanding is very very important, right? तो कहीं ना कहीं इन dates को थोड़ा सा अच्छे से समझ लीजिए और अपनी जो स्ट्रेटेजी है उसी के हिसाब से अगर आप प्लान करेंगे, दैट विल हेल्प यू अ लॉट इन योर अपकमिंग एग्जामिनेशन. सो कहीं ना कहीं डेट्स को समझना और अकॉर्डिंगली अपना प्रिपरेशन करना, दैट इज वेरी वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट गाइस. तो प्लीज डू कंसिडर दोज कॉमन डेट आपका बैक टू बैक एग्जामिनेशन, और वाई यू शुड गो फॉर BRBL और नॉट फॉर ABFM, और आपका विच टू सब्जेक्ट यू शुड स्टार्ट विद, दैट इज द वन. Those who are left with only one paper or आपका only two papers, they can start preparing with subject wise. Like let's say if you are let's say if you have not done with BRBL and ABFM, start preparing simultaneously, or ABM and ABFM, start with आपका ABM first, then आपका ABFM. So in the remaining days, the contribute on regular basis or weekend basis, you can go with those one. You can have two type of strategy also. Like let's say अगर daily basis पे नहीं हो पा रहा possibility, make sure कि आपका on weekends, आपका Saturday और Sunday, you are giving 5 to 6 hours on every weekend without any fail. But वो थोड़ा सा मतलब we cannot have that kind of commitments कि every weekend, every Saturday, Sunday we will be doing this. तो बेटर कि आपका ट्राई करें रेगुलर बेसिस पे आप लाइव या रिकॉर्डेड चीजों को फॉलो करते रहिए, राइट गाइस? सो विश यू ऑल द वेरी बेस्ट फॉर योर प्रिपरेशन, दो योर नोटिफिकेशन विल स्टार्ट फ्रॉम नेक्स्ट मंथ, बट स्टार्ट योर जर्नी फ्रॉम टुडे इटसेल्फ. ठीक है, रेगुलर बेसिस पे स्टार्ट कॉन्ट्रीब्यूटिंग थिंग्स, एंड इफ यू नीड एनी हेल्प, so you can ping me on WhatsApp, or you can ping me on Telegram, or on the application itself आपका. ठीक है, I'll try my best to help you out in that particular case. So wish you all the very best for your preparation, guys. See you in the classes. Thank you.